Good night, caller. What's your name? Where you calling from? Hi, caller.
Hi.
Good night. Do you have a question for DJ Mixx?
Not really.
Okay, we'll go ahead with your comment.
I just want you to play a song for me.
I'm sorry? What song do you want us to play for you? Let's see if we have that song available.
I call back.
Okay, alrighty. Have a good night. Hello, caller. What's your name? Where you calling from?
My name is Nardes. I'm calling from Miami, Florida.
Big ups to Miami. Do you have a question for DJ Mixx?
No, I just want to give him a shout out.
Okay.
What up, man? What up? That's my piece right there. How you doing, baby?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you? You good? Hello?
Yeah, that's my piece. How you doing? I see you on TV doing big things.
Oh, you see me right
Wish
now?
I was in Tampa this weekend to party with you guys.
Oh, you coming down this weekend?
Red and white.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, you coming down this weekend?
No, I can't come down this weekend. I said I was there to come party with y'all, but I'll catch you on the next show.
Oh, no problem. You know what time it is. You know where to find me. Thanks for the call.
I'm going to have to holler at you when I'm back up there, but good luck to you.
All right, thanks, Mama. And thanks for the call. Much love.
Oh, no problem. Anytime.
All right.
Good night, caller. What's your name? Where you calling from? Caller?
Hello?
Good night. Turn down your volume, caller. We're hearing an echo.
Jesus, man. How you doing?
I'm doing well. Turn your volume down. Hello?
Second. Give me a second.
Okay. Okay. Hello, caller. What's your name? Where you calling from?
Hi, I'm calling from Miramar, Florida.
Big ups to Miramar. You have a question for DJ Mixx?
Not really. I just wanted to hear a song play.
Okay. Well, let's see if we have that song available for you. We'll try to play it. What song do you want to hear?
Singly, Deception.
Okay, the producer's gonna see if he has that available for you, and if we have that, we're gonna play it for you. Okay, so big ups to Miramar. Okay, thanks for calling.
Okay.
Good night, caller. What's your name? Where you calling from? Caller, you have to turn your volume down when you call in. We can't hear you.
Hello?
How are you?
Fine.
What's your name? Where you calling from?
They call me man, calling from Miramar.
Oh, you have a question for DJ Mixx?
No, not exactly. I just want to congratulate him. You know, he's a good DJ, really tight. He really got skills on his head. So, I want to let him know that keep doing his thing. You know what I'm saying? And I want to ask him for a favor. You know.
Go ahead, Papa.
Hello.
Hello, I'm here.
Yeah, is that you, DJ Mixx?
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, man. Just want to congratulate you, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, man. You're a good DJ. I've been watching you for a while, man.
That's what's up.
Yeah, so keep doing your thing. Keep doing what you do, man. I just want to ask you for a favor, man. I want to become a DJ, man. I want to be a DJ, a group, man. You can't help me.
Okay.
All right, man. Thank you very much.
All right, thanks for calling. Have a good night.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Hello, caller. What's your name? Where you calling from? Okay, we lost that caller. Big ups to everybody that just called in. Everybody that want to wish him luck. You see it, you hear it. The name speaks for himself. DJ Mixx. Good night, caller. What's your name? Where you calling from?
Hello?
Good night. What's your name? Where you calling from?
Calling for 305.
Shout out to Miami. You have a question for DJ Mixx?
Yes, I do.
Go ahead with your question. He can hear you.
I just want to give him a shout out.
Thank you, girl. Shout out to you too. What's your name?
Missy.
Missy. That's what's up. Hopefully, when I'm in your town, you come see my show.
I just want to say keep doing your thing, what you're doing. I like that, but I heard a lot about you though. I think I'm to your party though.
All right then. Thanks for the love. Thanks. I make sure I keep doing my thing.
Big ups to
Alright.
305. You have a good night, okay?
Alright.
Alrighty. Big ups to everybody that called in. Island TV, iVision TV. Thanks to everybody that was supporting us. Don't forget, Casa Mexicana
Yes.
Bar and Grill. It's on Bush Boulevard. If you're here in Tampa, definitely want to check it out. Good night, caller. What's your name? Where you calling from? Turn your volume down, caller.
Hello?
What's your name? Where you calling from? Turn your volume down.
Hello?
Hello, good night, caller. What's your name? Where you calling from?
Hello, I'm Nadine,
Hi, Nadine. Where you calling from?
Fort Lauderdale.
Big ups to 954. You have a question for DJ Mixx?
What is he about? I just see him laughing. I'm laying in bed watching him. What is he about?
What up, mama? What's going on?
Big
I'm
DJ.
How you doing?
Oh, you're a DJ?
Yeah, I'm a DJ.
What genre?
Say that again.
What genre?
What genre are you in? Like reggae? What?
Everything,
What is-
baby, everything. Reggae, soca, calypso, kompa, zouk, hip hop, R&B, even house music, techno. You name it, we got it.
Oh, okay.
So anytime you wanna throw,
You guys.
anytime you wanna throw a party, make it happen. Give us a call.
All right.
We come shut it down for you.
Big ups to yourself for calling, alright?
Keep doing what you're doing. Big up, you know?
All right, thanks, mama.
All right, bye. One love.
One love.
Good night, caller. What's your name? Where you calling from? Okay, we lost that caller. Thank you guys for calling in. It's been a wonderful show. Wonderful, wonderful show. I want to say it again. I want to thank iVision TV on behalf of everyone here at iVision TV. We want to thank our partner Island TV for giving us the space to air our show. And we want to thank everybody who watched us tonight, everybody who called in to continue to support Island TV and iVision TV, because we're going to do a lot right now to keep the islands connected. So wherever you're from the Caribbean, West Indies, we're going to do it. So you definitely want to keep showing your support. Thank you everybody for calling in. Thank you everyone for sending your comments online, your emails. Just thank you to everybody that showed support. DJ Mixx, thank you for coming through, making the show happen today. We appreciate your presence, appreciate the info. If you have any questions, any comments for him, and you want to get to where he is right now, go ahead and send us an email at info@ivisiontv.net. We can get that situated for you. We'll get every question over to him, and he can tell you how he got where he is and what you might need to do to get where he is, okay? On behalf of everyone, thank you, and have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful night.
Bien, bien.